Today we're going to be making kind of an eggplant parmigiana.
Hi again everybody, I'm back again for my new video. Today I'm going to be cooking something with eggplant. I normally do this with tapioca flour, but I realized far too late that I actually ran out, so I had some normal gluten-free flour and I used that, and it was quite good actually. So I love eggplant and I think it's really nice with tomato sauce, and you can have this recipe, for example, on a sandwich, on a wrap, with some nice fresh greens and some nice dressing, or actually you can have it with rice. I had a hankering for chips, so I made it with chips. So I mainly have it with spaghetti and tomato sauce, to be honest. Yeah, it's really versatile and you can have it with whatever you have at home, or whatever you feel like eating. And yeah,
so you're gonna need one eggplant sliced in about 1 centimeter thick slices. I didn't do a very good job here, sorry about that. And like I said, I didn't have tapioca flour, so I'm just using normal gluten-free flour. Half a cup of, actually half a cup, so that would be 1 cup, wouldn't it? 1 cup of that flour. Just chuck it all in a bowl. And just make sure it's 1 cup. There you go. Also, you're gonna need heaps and heaps of salt. What you could also do is just salt the eggplant slices beforehand and just let them sit for a bit, so the salt can be soaked up by the eggplant a little bit more. Maybe that actually would make more sense. I'm just gonna put the salt in my flour mixture, some sweet paprika powder. I'm using quite a lot of that, and here I've got half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Not gonna put a whole half tablespoon in it, because I don't want it to taste too much of garlic, so it's up to you. Some chili if you like spice again. Of course, if you don't like spice, leave the chili out, that's no problem at all. Yeah, just mix it all up. And then you're going to be dipping the eggplant slices in the flour mixture. Make sure you prepare a plate or maybe a baking tray where you can put all the slices in one layer. So all the slices have been rolled in the flour. Now you should have heated up a frying pan on medium heat. Just make sure the frying pan is hot before you put the oil in, and especially before you put the eggplant in. And you're gonna need quite a bit of oil. because the eggplant soaks up a lot of oil, so it's no good not using any oil, because then you're just going to burn everything and it's going to get really dry. There you go. Last little bit. Nope, doesn't fit. Okay. So just let it all brown. You can see now the eggplant has actually soaked up all the oil. So that's another reason you should make sure that the frying pan is really hot, because if it's not, whatever food you put in the oil will soak up pretty much all of it. And the hotter the pan, the less oil your food will absorb. Okay, so just do this until it's nicely browned on both sides, and do that with all the slices. And that is it again, guys. I'm just going to put all the slices on some paper towel to absorb any excess oil. And as you all know, I'm serving this like a classic parmigiana with chips and tomato sauce. And like always, I try to up my green intake, so I'm going to have a side salad as well. Doesn't that look awesome?
Thank you for watching again, guys. This was my newest video, eggplant with chips, tomato sauce and a little side salad. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I release a new video. It's gonna get better and better, and I know I'm making a lot of really simple recipes at the moment, but I think this is, you know, really easy for every day. If you're new to being vegan, or if you're really busy working, or just don't feel like cooking a big meal with lots of steps that takes a long time to do. So this is just everyday basic vegan food that everyone can make, even if you're not vegan, vegetarians, you know, omnivores. If you don't have to eat meat every day, and I mean vegetables are good for you. See you next time.
I prepared a plate with some paper towel, put the slices on and turn them over after a while, so the paper will absorb some of the excess oil. That is it again, guys. Your eggplant parmigiana with chips and tomato sauce, and like always a little extra green on the side.